One of my videos hit 90,000 views even though I have a small YouTube channel. And this is not luck because I have other videos that got me also thousands of views. So if you are not getting a lot of views, you can't grow your channel, or maybe you are new on YouTube, then this video is for you. I'm going to break down how that video performed so well and give you some background information about it, so you can do the same for your upcoming videos and start growing in 2025. Your success on YouTube begins with one simple thing: the right video idea. This is so important. YouTube is hard for small channels. A large channel with millions of subscribers, they can post anything they want and they always get the views. But this is not the same for a small channel. You need to be extra careful while choosing video topics. You can put a lot of effort to your videos. They can be super high quality, they can be super informative. But if the video idea is bad, or in other words, if the video topic is wrong, then you're not gonna get any views. Some topics on YouTube, they just perform better than other topics just because people show more interest. You can make a video about a topic that gets 90 views, or you can make a video about a topic that gets 90,000 views. Then you grow faster. And as the creator, it is your responsibility to find the right video topics. But here is the problem. How are you going to know if you are choosing the right video topic or not? While choosing topics, there are some common mistakes creators do that you should avoid. Firstly, don't create random topics. Your videos should be on the same category or on the same niche. If you make one video about religion, the next one about cooking, and the next one about technology, it is not going to work like that. Don't do that. Secondly, don't pick topics without doing research. What I mean by that is maybe there is a topic that you want to cover, or maybe there is a topic that you think it is very important or it is very interesting for your audience, but in reality, your audience don't find it interesting. Or maybe they don't know that it is important for them. When this case happens, then you create the video, but your audience don't find it interesting and they don't watch it. Because remember, you are still a small channel and the game is different for small channels. That being said, mistake number 3, don't copy videos from large channels. There are specific topics that large channels create and do very well for them. But keep in mind that those large creators, they have an established audience, and the audience behaves different for large channels and for small channels. So when you copy a video from a large channel, there is a high risk that your video can get beaten out by the competition, because for specific topics, small channels cannot compete with large channels, at least on every topic. You just need to understand how to pick the right video topics that will get you the views that will help your channel to start growing. Now let's talk about that. To find the right video topics, you need to do some research, but if you do it manually by researching trends, analyzing other YouTube channels, or maybe guessing if the audience might like the video idea or not, this whole research process can take hours of work. I would suggest not to do research manually. Instead, use a tool or a program that does this research for you and brings you proven data about which video topics are performing well and which are not specified for your channel. For my channel, I'm using vidIQ. vidIQ is a powerful keyword research tool designed to help creators to find the right video ideas. This is how I found the topic that brought me 90,000 views, together with the other videos that got successful for my channel. vidIQ also has a YouTube channel with millions of subscribers used by other creators on YouTube, so they are a trusted brand. They offer multiple features to find the right video ideas for your channel. Before we dive into these features, you can sign up vidIQ for completely free from the link below. And later, if you need more features, then you can consider upgrading to a paid plan. Okay, the first method to find the right video ideas is the outliers feature. Previously, I've mentioned that copying ideas from large channels is not a good idea because usually they don't perform also well for small channels. Instead of getting video ideas from large channels, you can get ideas from small channels. Topics that perform great for other channels in the same niche video will probably also perform good for your channel as well, because the audience size is similar. But here is the challenge. There are millions of small creators on YouTube, and you might never discover them because every small channel has this discoverability problem. So how are you gonna find them? This is where the outlier features of vidIQ helps you. Let's see. The outliers feature finds topics that are already working for other small channels and brings them to you. Let's say you are in the fitness niche. Instead of doing research on YouTube, you can type here fitness, and you can filter the results from video length to upload date and channel size. Since we want to do the research on smaller channels, so I'm going to decrease the subscriber size, let's say to somewhere around 10,000 subscribers. Now when we click on apply, it will bring us the results, the video ideas that are performing great for channels who has less than 10,000 subscribers. So at least you will know for the fitness niche, this video topic or this one performs great for other smaller channels, which can also perform well for your channel. And outliers is just one of the great features of vidIQ. The second feature of vidIQ is the daily video ideas feature. vidIQ's AI-driven daily video ideas feature is like having a personal brainstorming assistant. Based on your channel's data, it will suggest relevant video ideas with a view prediction every single day. You can copy the ideas that you like here and search them on YouTube to find out if they also do well for other channels. And if they do, then you can click on this button and save your ideas here under this tab. So with the daily ideas feature of vidIQ, you are going to receive up to 50 new video ideas every single day. The third feature of vidIQ is also very powerful, which is finding topics by doing keyword research. And this was the feature how I found the video topic that brought me 90,000 views. So YouTube is also a search engine, and keyword research is the process of finding search terms that people are actively looking for on YouTube. The goal here is to find keywords with a high search volume and low competition to maximize your chances of ranking high on search results and gaining a lot of views. So here's how to do keyword research with vidIQ. Firstly, you need to start by entering a topic idea into the vidIQ's keyword research tool. For example, let's say you are considering making a video about artificial intelligence. So type here AI into the search field. Then vidIQ will provide you a keyword score here, which is a combination of search volume, how many people are actually looking for this search term, and the competition level, which means how many YouTube channels and creators are already covering this topic. A higher score indicates a better opportunity for a small channel. The search volume tells how popular this keyword is. The competition shows how difficult it is to rank this keyword. For example, AI has a lot of search volume, which is great, but the competition is also very high, and this is not good for small channels because they will be outranked by larger channels too high. What you want to do here is to find keywords or video topic ideas that has a much lower competition level. That's why vidIQ suggesting here a lot of different or similar keyword ideas, and you can search them by clicking on these tabs here. The first one is related keywords, which is by vidIQ suggesting additional keywords that are similar to the original query. Or you can look for the matching terms, which includes your original search with other keywords. And the third alternative is questions. If you go to this tab, you can find what people are asking including your keyword. These ideas here are great for creating highly specific, searchable content. Here, what we want to do is to select a keyword that has a high search volume and a possible low competition. For example, we can choose Cursor AI. Now, vidIQ tells here that Cursor AI, the search term Cursor AI, has a very high overall score with a very high number of search volume and a much lower competition with a great amount of search volume. So now you will know that this video topic, Cursor AI, can be the right video topic, can be a great opportunity based on this data if you want to cover this in your next video. YouTube is difficult for small creators, so if you seriously want to succeed on YouTube, vidIQ offers this advantage. It wouldn't be possible to find that many video ideas without using vidIQ. Especially with the outliers and the powerful keyword research features, you will get unlimited data on proven video ideas. The link is below in the description. Sign up vidIQ for free and get your winner video ideas today. So finding the right video topics is the first step to get more views on YouTube. But having the right video topics is just the beginning. You also need to rank your videos high in search results so your videos can get discovered. The video that got me 90,000 views is getting most of its traffic from search results. And if you want to learn more about it, then check out my next video for more details.